Chapter 3, Lesson 8. I can check to see if an ordered pair is a solution to a system of equations. To check for a solution, you must substitute in for x and y to each of the equations. Use order of operations to evaluate each side of the equal sign. And then if the numbers match for both the equations, then it is a solution. If the numbers match only once or for neither of them, then it's not a solution. Okay. So we have an x term and we have a y term. We have to make sure that they work for both. So -2 equals 3 minus 5. Well, 3 minus 5 does equal -2, and -2 equals -2. So this solution works for this first equation. Let's try the second one. 3 times 3 plus 4 times -2 equals 1. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times -2 is -8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 1 does equal 1. So it works for both. So is this a solution? Yes, it is. Yes, it is a solution because it works in both of the equations. All right. So once again, we have x terms and we have y terms. Okay, so we substitute in -3 times -4 equals 4 times 5 minus 8. Well, -3 times -4 is +12. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 8 does equal 12. So it works for that. 2 times 5 equals 3 times -4 plus 10. Does 10 equal 3 times -4 is -12 plus 10. -12 plus 10 equals -2. 10 does not equal -2. So therefore, -4, 5. No, it is not a solution for both of the equations. Okay, how about the coordinate 1, 0? Okay. X and X. Y. Okay. So y equals 0. 3 times 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1 does not equal 0. So we don't even have to test the second equation because this one already doesn't work. So we know that no, it's not a solution for these equations. Okay. So again, all we're doing is, I think the highlighting method really works for making sure that you substitute in correctly into your x term and your y term, and then just using your calculator to calculate it all out to check to see if it's a solution or not. Okay, so that brings us to our checkpoint for lesson 8. So once again, I want to thank you for your participation. Thank you as always for watching our videos. And please attempt the checkpoint and come in and be ready to talk about it in class. Okay, and once again, just one more time, thank you all for your participation and watching our videos and participating in our flipped classroom.